Yeah. Okay, let me just share my screen here. How is
Okay,
it,
no
man?
problem. Huh?
I'm saying, how are you?
I mean, I'm good, man. I am trying. I'm trying. How about you, man?
Nah, I'm also trying, man. I'm pushing this side, eh?
Yeah, we can't just sit around and just wait for things to come to us. We just have to go to get up and grab them.
Yeah. No, you have to try, man. You have to try.
You're always busy, man. You always have busy schedules. You.
Hey, bro, like I don't trade alone, man. I'm also a student. I'm also running that thing, the website agency.
Okay, okay. So
But it's
you
mainly the agency, though. The agency is
uh,
the one that takes up my time.
are you currently in a varsity or college?
I'm in varsity right now.
UJ,
Yeah?
UJ. Is it UJ?
No, in Pretoria.
No, UP or
No,
TUT.
TT.
Okay, okay. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
But it's just a short course, though, you know.
Oh, because you travel, right? You're home to what is this? Midrand.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Always up and down, man. Yeah. Let me just try
Ah,
and
life.
share this thing.
It's life, man. You just have to move around a lot. You have no
Yeah.
choice.
Yeah.
Oh,
Eh?
this is a nice thing, man.
You can see the screen, eh?
Yeah, I can see the screen, but let me try to like rotate it so that I can like see the full thing. Yeah. Yeah, I can see.
Okay. As long as you can see. Yeah, dog. Hey, let me just clean everything up here.
Okay.
Yeah, let me clean everything up. So, like, how do you trade though? Like,
So basically, it's I'll mark the previous day what is this low and high, right?
yeah,
And then after that, I'll wait for the next day candle to like sweep either of those low or high. And then if
yeah,
it sweeps that, then it returns back to the range, and then causes a change of character or a market structure shift.
yeah,
Then that's confirmation number one. Then I'll have to wait for what? I'll have to wait for a pullback so that I can enter. So
yeah,
now it does work. It does work, but then it's not consistent. It's not
yeah. It's
consistent
not
actually.
consistent because
It
the
is
thing
not
is,
consistent.
I used to do the exact same thing like not so long back, like maybe I would say a year and a half ago. That's how I used to also trade. But then I noted something like you see that thing, that part where you said you have to mark the market structure shift.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like that thing, it's not consistent at all. So
Very
alternatively, what I do, ne, like it's the thing. Let me just try and show you how I caught the trade today. Uh, Let me just mark the same things. I mark the same things as you, but there's just something
no.
slightly different.
Okay.
And then, okay, mark. Then you see the 8 o'clock candlestick on the 4 hours.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
Mm-hmm.
this is the London session. I
So
also
wait,
use
so wait.
London.
The London session is 8 o'clock.
No, it's not really 8 o'clock, but it falls around there. That's where like mainly people get their moves. Like people are trading
Oh,
during
okay.
London. Yeah.
Okay. So
It's
so
not
so
from,
so
it's
like I'm
not really
assuming.
eight. Remember, like it fluctuates sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Like the times, I think sometimes it's around 9, 10. That's when the market really moves during London.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. But it,
So
as long as you mark this candlestick, this is the main candlestick that you need, the 8 o'clock one.
okay.
Yeah. That's where like many traders are trading London session.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Because I think it ends around yeah, 12. 12 we get a new candlestick. So what I
Okay.
wait for every day, this is what determines whether I take a trade or not. Like this is
Mm-hmm.
this is my first A1 setup. I wait for a sweep of the high or the low, right?
Of the 8 a.m., right?
Yeah, the 8 a.m. candlestick. Okay, let me remove the daily one. This one is for the other trade. This is for the one I marked right now. It's for the sell trade. This was for the sell. I'll
Mm-hmm.
show you how I caught the buy after this one. But this is the main trade of the day. You see? Yeah, you can see we even got more sells than buys today. So
Mm-hmm.
when you wait for this thing to actually sweep, what I'm waiting for is, you see, like here, this is a
Mm-hmm.
fair value gap right here. You familiar with
Okay.
that?
Okay. Yes. Yes, I am. I am.
Yeah, but you see, most traders here who were gonna, like, if it was the old me, I would have traded this as a buy. Can you see like how you could have caught that move, the half past three move? You could have caught this as a
Mm-hmm.
buy and held it. So since me, I know how the market moves. Like I was in on this buy, yes. I sent you the screenshot, but I was in
Yeah.
break
Yeah.
even. I was in break even, so I didn't really care about this trade. But
Yeah.
the moment I saw this candlestick closed outside here, the moment we came back inside here, it's
Mm-hmm.
like it's a confirmation that the market is going down now. Because remember, when the market sweeps liquidity, it's supposed to go back, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what we're looking for. Whenever we sweep liquidity, we're assuming that we're gonna get a reversal.
The reversal.
Uh, yeah, but the thing is, where do you answer? That's how I get. This is how I get my entry points with this thing. Yeah, the fair value gap, like they call it the inverted fair value gap. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's when a fair value gap is disrespected. Instead of it respecting the fair value gap and buying, instead it breaks that fair value gap. We close outside
Ah.
stock.
Okay.
You see?
Okay.
But then when you go deeper in the time frames, you can actually see where it closed. So sometimes you can find it closed on the 5 minute or on the 1 minute, so that you can catch the trade earlier. So you see, from the
Mm-hmm.
moment it closed on the 1 minute here, that's where you get your entry. You start selling, and then always make sure your stop loss is like above this thing, yeah, the fair value gap, because sometimes the market can close outside,
Yeah. Yeah.
come back inside,
Yeah.
you know. But just make sure. But I like to keep my stop loss like above, slightly above
Mm-hmm.
the high, the slightly above the previous high. You see, then that's your trade there.
And
Then
then
this,
what are you targeting?
yeah, this what I'm getting. This take profit here is my first take profit right here. This
Mm-hmm.
one. But you can see the risk to reward ratio is very small. You can see
Yeah,
that.
it is bad.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's bad.
bad. But the thing with this strategy is that like almost 80% of the time the market it respects this thing. But the thing is
Mm-hmm.
with many traders who wanna catch like the big moves,
Yeah,
and
that's the
hold the big
thing.
move. Yeah. But with me, it works in my favor because I work with size. I enter big lots on some of these trades.
Oh
So
yeah, that's why. That's why.
yeah, so I can make like a lot of money on a small move. But I knew like my second take profit was here, but you can
Okay.
see where the market is. I was aiming for this. It's actually supposed to be like this. Yeah.
What is that? What is that level?
This level, yeah.
Mm.
It's the closest area where the market reverses. So that's what I look at here. Or
Okay.
let me just show you this way. There's this thing, the Fibonacci. I don't know how you use the Fibonacci, but uh let's see. I didn't measure this one. Yeah. So ideally, if I use this Fibonacci, this way I would have came out.
Oh, okay. Okay. All
Yeah, this
right.
way I would have
Nice.
came out there. But like this one,
Nice.
bro, it's an obvious trade. You could have held it until this level, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Mm-hmm.
another reason why I'm confident with this one is because it's a strong area of liquidity here.
Oh
Uh,
yeah, yeah, I can see
yeah, you can see
a
the
lot of
market
rejection.
touched. Yeah, so many rejections. So that's why this one I didn't even bother using the Fibonacci. But like when I don't know when I don't have these areas, that's when I use the Fibonacci. Then I aim for the 100%.
Yeah, okay, okay.
No, it's not 100%. It's the 161. Yeah, 161.
161, yeah.
Yeah, 100% is the first take profit. This is the second take profit.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Okay. So now I have a question. So now since like we marked the 4 hour, right? The 4 hour high and low. Yeah? So
yeah.
now for like the confirmation for like the confirmation to confirm that we're going to reverse, the candle is supposed to close inside the that range after it has um penetrated the thing. What is this? The high or low of the 4 hour? Is that correct?
Wait, I don't understand what you mean. Okay, let me go to the 4 hour.
Okay, yeah, you can go to the 4 hour then.
Mm.
Okay, you see, and it's you marked the high and low, right?
Yeah, high and low.
Yeah, and then you went to the after that you went to the 5 minute. I think you went to the 5 minute time frame. Go to the 5 minute time frame. I think where you found the inverted fair value gap. Where did you find it?
Oh, the fair value gap, let's see where we found it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's the 30 minute, yeah.
No, okay, okay. So now I
Yeah,
want to know okay, I want to know like okay, fine. The fair value gap is just a confluence as well. But I want to know which like how do we confirm that like the market is going to reverse since we marked the 4 hour low and high. So does that mean that maybe let's say we break the 4 hour high and then the candle is supposed to return, then close inside of the 4 hour range, then that's when we can expect a reversal move or
yeah. Yeah, that's when we can expect it. Yeah.
okay.
The moment the market closes, like it's not necessarily that you're waiting for the 4 hour range. It's not necessarily that you're waiting it for it here. The thing that
Mm.
you're waiting for, it's for it to close outside of this block. Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
That's what I'm trying to like make you understand, go. This thing is very important, bro. Many of us like when we start off trading, we know how a fair value gap works, but we don't know how the opposite of a fair value gap works. Let me just mark it here.
Ah, okay, I see.
Yeah, dog, this thing it's super important, bro. Like my win rate, the moment I started using this thing, like my win rate went up. You see.
Okay. Okay. So,
Yeah,
so
so
immediately when it closes below that thing, you enter, right?
yeah, and sometimes like dog, like when I like the moment liquidity, once I get that liquidity sweep and I have
Mm-hmm.
this fair value gap, the moment it closes, bro, I'm
Mm.
selling. And you know, I also trade S&P 500. So sometimes,
Mm.
let's say S&P 500, you see, we could have got the same trade here on S&P 500, but I didn't trade
Mm.
this one. Let me just show you. So with S&P 500 and Nasdaq, they move similarly, you see. I don't know if you know that, but these things are like almost
Oh
the
yeah, yeah,
same.
yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. It's the same
Yeah,
with the
yeah, it's almost the same. The movements are almost the same. So sometimes,
mm.
let's say S&P 500 is the one that shows me the trade.
Mm.
And then on Nasdaq, I don't really see the same thing, but like you can see the
Okay.
structure is the same. I just sell Nasdaq knowing that, you know, it's gonna go the same way. They
Yeah,
call
yeah,
it,
yeah.
yeah, they call it SMC divergence. Let me just,
Ah,
yeah, just research. I don't know if you trade S&P 500, but
no, no, no. XM doesn't have S&P 500.
XM,
It does. Does it have it?
yeah, that's it. I trade on XM. Most of the time I
Ah,
trade the
okay. I know. I will check it out.
SMT divergence with S100. Yeah, like sometimes you don't have to trade S&P. You can just use it like as a confluence for Nasdaq. You
Okay.
see? Yeah, so let me just remove this. Let me show you how I caught
The
the
sell.
buy. The buy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the buy it's similar, but like hey, you see now this market structure changed a bit. But like I don't know if you are live earlier today, but before this candlestick, né?
Mm,
Yeah, we could have used your strategy here. You could have used the strategy with the previous day low, previous day high, sharp, and
mm,
then here I mark this fair value gap here on the daily. I mark that fair value gap, and then I go here, and then as you can see here on the is this the 4 hour time frame? Yeah,
uh,
it's a 4 hour time
wow.
frame. Yeah, it's a 4 hour.
Mm,
Yeah, and then I go deeper. Yeah, okay, we can use this the 4 hour. You can see cool on the daily we mark this here. So this was already a sweep. This kind of
yeah,
stick
yeah,
it already
yeah,
swept. So the
yeah.
thing is the market now changed. Yeah, it was not like this. Yeah, then I mark this here. So this is the fair value gap here. This is the
Mm,
fair value gap I was waiting for to actually be disrespected so that I can
mm.
take the price. So as you see here, the market didn't fully close. The market didn't fully
Above.
close. You see, it tried to close outside. So you could have
Mm,
been tricked there. You could have been tricked
mm.
there. Yeah, so I didn't answer yet. Yeah, I waited. And then I think it was, let's see, which time frame was it? Yeah, here, 1:30. From 1:30, the moment the market decides to close outside of the fair value gap, I see cool that this fair value gap here, it's no more valid. The market is
Mm,
not gonna sell here. Then I entered here, enter around here. So you can enter anywhere from this candlestick, or this candlestick here. Any of these
mm.
three, you can enter there because we got the confirmation. So me, I was targeting these eyes here, you see.
But
But
then the thing changed.
yeah, the thing changed, and I was able to see that change and immediately enter sales because let me move this thing. Which time frame was it? I'm just trying to find the time frame where I saw the change.
No, it's fine, it's fine. Take your
Yeah.
time.
Oh yeah, it was here. Yeah, this kind of the gap. So let me just remove this. Yeah, the moment I saw this happening, yeah, the market decided to buy yes and that.
Mm.
But the moment it closed there, we can see that this thing is selling.
Yeah,
And but
you knew that it was over.
yeah, but remember our entry was not exactly there. But the moment it broke here, I was out. I was out, you see.
Okay.
Yeah. So dog, it's the same thing. I don't know if you're seeing a pattern here. Go. It's mainly this thing here, the inverted fair value gap.
Yeah, I can see that the IFVG is the stuff they show here.
Yeah, it's the stuff the show, man. Like every time it's the same thing. And like you asked me if it happens every day.
Mm.
Yeah, like almost every day, like this is how I trade. Like it's actually every day. It's just that some days, the market doesn't move. Like if, for example, I don't really play with these tools. Let me just look for that thing. Yeah, the path. You see, if the market is moving up and down like this,
Mm.
like the consolidation,
Mm,
I usually I
mm, mm.
usually
I
I
can see.
usually don't trade. I usually don't trade the trade for the day because
Yeah,
sometimes
yeah.
because sometimes let's say this is H4 high and H4 low. If the market
Mm-hmm.
doesn't sweep any higher, like there's
Mm.
no point of trading, bro.
Yeah,
Like
the good point. Yeah.
I don't have information to take a trade, you see.
Mhm.
Yeah, so I don't know. Yeah, are you happy? Like, do you understand now?
Yeah, no, no, I understand fully,
Yeah,
completely.
but you need to practice this thing. Like, I don't know, you should try like back testing it, like going back in the market.
Yeah, I will do that actually. After
Yeah.
immediately after this call, I'll start working.
Yeah, let's see what's happening on gold. Yeah. Yeah, let me show you
Okay.
what I'm looking for on gold.
Okay.
Uh,
Are you
see, yeah,
talking, my guy?
yeah, I'm Tsonga, my guy.
I can hear you.
What, you also speak Tsonga?
No, I'm Venda, but I grew up in a Tonga area. But yeah, so
Oh,
I understand the tone. You busy saying kuri kuri. So now I know when you say kuri, it's
oh,
Tonga again.
yeah. So wait, so what brings you to Cape Town there?
School.
School. Oh, you're schooling at UCT.
Now I'm at CPUT.
Oh,
I,
okay.
it's a union as well.
Yeah, I know it. I know it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, at least, man.
Um, I can hear, man. I can hear that you're Tonga. I can hear it, but then it's just that
But I'm sure you
I'm
saw
just making
when
this
I sent you
English.
my certificate. I'm sure you saw my name though.
I didn't pay attention to the name. I just looked at the certificate. Me,
You are
I didn't pay
surprised.
attention. I didn't pay attention at all. But
Yeah,
then
but
I
yeah.
know nasita kure ano umtsonga we.
Yeah, I know it's like that, Chief. Us stronger people and vendors, Chief. We love making money.
Yeah, bro. And we also love working hard, man.
Yeah, we love working hard. Whether it's school or business, we just do it
Yeah,
all.
yeah.
We
That's
do it
true.
all, man.
That's
Yeah, so
okay. So
yeah,
so yeah. What I noticed is that you use the daily high and low sometimes, and sometimes you use the 4 hour high
yeah,
and low.
but
So mm,
so you're not you confused on like which one we use, né?
yeah,
Like
that's the thing. Now I want to know which one is the most important one.
honestly speaking, both of them. Both
Okay.
of them. Because with the daily, né? Let me like just go with
Mm-hmm.
the daily. Okay, we're on the daily already.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So if you see with the daily, né, it's important, but not every day. But you have to look at
Okay.
it every day. You have to mark it every day. Because sometimes
Mm-hmm.
you find out you get a scenario like this. Let's mark for this was when? This was Monday. Yeah. With Monday, you see if you can get like a sweep like this, a daily sweep.
Mm-hmm.
This is very important to guide you on like where the market is going. If the market can sweep, come back, and then maybe on the H4 we get something like a movement where it shows us that nah, this thing's about to buy. Like here, we got a fair value
Mm,
gap.
okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it's the same thing here. You can see like that thing here. Or this
Mm-hmm.
one, yeah, I think let's use the second one because the first
Mm.
one it's not strong. The
Nah,
second
man, this
one,
strategy is insane, man.
yeah, it's insane, bro. It's the same thing, but you can see it's in just different
Yeah.
time frames.
Yeah.
You see, it's the
That's why.
same
That's why.
thing.
Like I can grasp it easily because I'm really familiar with this pattern.
Yeah, you see, so it's the same thing. You see, like this thing, bro. Like here, I think I took this trade. Yeah, I remember. I think I took this trade on Wednesday. Yeah, but
Mm.
I think I just came out like immediately once we swept this, I
Mm.
sweep. I was out.
Mm.
That buy.
Manje, manje,
So
manje, tell me, ne,
mm,
I heard that like, what is this? Funded, what is this one? Prop firms, ne, they don't like appreciate like scalpers. So how do you work with that? Does good funded trader like accommodate you as a scalper? Because I'm pretty sure they could tell, or yeah, no, you just
nah,
tapping.
nah, nah. With me, like GFT, the prop firms that I've worked with, it's
Mm,
GFT, Funded Next. Yeah, I think yeah, those two owned for the
mm.
longest time. Yeah. First, I started
Ah,
with Funded Next, and then now it's GFT, strictly GFT.
okay,
So
okay, okay.
with this thing, bro, like when they say scalp, like, I feel like they're
Mm,
talking about guys who. come in and out like same time, like seconds. With me,
Okay.
bro, I can hold a trade for like 2 hours, even like maybe an hour, you know,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
without even
understandable.
it.
Depending, yeah,
Yeah, I
depending
don't
on the
think
time frame.
I don't think like maybe I don't think they count us because the thing is the reason I say that is I've never had a problem from them.
Okay,
Yeah, the
okay,
only
okay.
problem I had was margin, the margin call. I
Yeah,
think
I
when
hate
I
that.
used I used full margin. I think it was 2 weeks back.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I used full margin, but they want you to use 80%. They don't want 100%. If you use
Okay.
100%, then
They kick
they
you out.
terminate you. Yeah, they terminate your account. But luckily, they gave me a free one, like another one again to start. But
Oh,
I
okay,
passed
okay.
it. Yeah, so I passed it though. It's fine now. So yeah,
Yeah, no.
dog. Like I don't know if you can see Kurvela, like this thing, yeah, like this sweep and everything. It happened like within a span, like it's almost like a week, dog. This is a whole week, yeah.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, it's a whole week. But like you see what I mean when I say you have to look at it every day so you can see where the market is. But like
It's going. Yeah.
yeah, you won't use it every day. Cause like here, I think it was Thursday. Yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, there was no need to mark highs and lows there. Because
Mm-hmm.
we're trading in the range of we're trading in this range here, this range, this high here and
Oh,
this
yeah.
low. Yeah, like
Mm-hmm.
these two candlesticks, Thursday and Friday, was using the range of Wednesday. We didn't sweep any here. Like that, that's important because here it just bought, take profit, and then it came back down. So there was nothing major here,
Mm.
you see. But then let's hop on to the lower time frame. Lower time frame. Oh, I think I was showing you the trade that I'm looking for here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, here I marked this thing. Yeah, I'm waiting for today's candlestick to
To
close
close.
outside here. Yeah,
Mm.
if it closes, bro, next week we're getting buys. We're getting strong buys. But then after that, after this close, yeah, we might maybe get a market to just range a bit at this area. You can see we ranged there before. So we might get a range, then the market can continue going higher. Yeah, but with gold, man, I'm patient, man. I'm trying to hold.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to hold, bruh. So I think you should also look at it, bruh. It's a nice opportunity to like raise money. Like to just
Yeah,
buy low.
gold, gold,
Mm.
gold, gold,
Nope.
gold is perfect, man.
Yeah, if we can break this, maybe the 4.2. I think it's
Mm.
4.2, yeah. If we can break above here, we can start looking for long-term buys. But anything here below here, it's just short term. Because
Okay,
I think,
wait. Can,
yeah.
can you zoom in there?
Okay, let's zoom in.
Okay. Easy. Okay, zoom in again, so that like you can see the candlestick clearly. Okay, yeah, you see this high that just got swept, right? And then I mean
Yeah.
this low that just got swept, and then the high,
Wait, which
right?
one? Which low?
The low right there. Just right there. Go down there a bit. Go down a bit.
Down
Nope.
again.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one,
Okay.
and the high over there.
And this high here.
No. The other one. Okay. Oh, I
This
didn't see.
high.
I didn't see. There's a high there. There's a high there. Okay. I didn't see that.
You
Okay.
didn't see it.
So now, okay, fine. We swept right. Okay. After sweeping, there's an inverted fair value gap there, and then it got violated. So as you can
Yeah.
see there, from the 4 hour time frame, the candle closed above the thing, the fair value. I mean, the inverted fair value gap. So
Yeah.
doesn't that mean that we can buy from here?
Yeah, we can buy. That's what I was telling you, Kuru. This trade, I took it already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I took the trade already. That was a confirmation. Like here, I think you're referring to this one here where like it inverted the fair value gap, closed above. Yeah, from here.
The
You seeing here, ne?
pretty much. Uh-huh.
Are you
No, no,
saying
no, no.
yeah?
I was not saying that. You see this big inverted fair value gap. I didn't even see that one. You see that big one, the big one.
This one here.
Yeah, the
Or
one there in
this
the
or
middle.
this one here.
Yes, you see close there above.
Yeah.
So does that mean that it's ready for buys?
Yeah, it's ready for buys.
No, okay, okay,
Yeah, it's ready for buys, yeah. Yeah, it's ready
okay.
for buys. Or you're saying, oh,
I
it's speaking in the perspective of like the daily time frame. So
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah, I can see now. Yeah, it's ready for buyers, but the thing is, hey, I wait for more confirmation when it comes to daily trades. This is a daily time frame
Okay,
trade. You see. So if you
okay.
have big capital, like yeah, it wouldn't be stupid to enter now. If you have big capital and you can trade like, let me show you. If you can trade like this and hold on the
That's
day,
insane.
yeah,
That's
if you
insane.
can, yeah, and you know gold can humble you. So
Yo,
if you can trade like this, Chief, you can hold.
I,
It's fine. There's
I,
no problem with
no
this.
way.
And then you hold to the higher side, but we don't know if it's going there. This is where I'm aiming for so far.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is
So
where
now,
I'm
okay,
aiming.
what are the extra confirmations you should look for when like you use the higher time frame, like daily time frame?
High time frame. You see how we catch trades on the lower time frame on H4 and everything.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So like you basically look for the same setup. Like I'm sure on the daily we confident, okay, we're looking for buys. So
Yeah, yeah, sure.
let's say tomorrow, let's say tomorrow is a trading day.
Mm-hmm.
London session, we get the highs and lows. We mark the H4 low and high again. Let's just
Yeah.
pretend this. Let's pretend this candlestick is tomorrow. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The
Let's
8
pretend.
a.m.
Oh, it's 8 a.m. No? It's the H4. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's prepare. Let's pretend it's that one. And then we wait for this thing to sweep. We wait for a sweep. Yeah. It's the same
Okay.
thing. You just wait for a sweep. Or if the market doesn't sweep, nah, we wait
Mm.
for a market structure shift. Market
Okay.
structure shift. But as you can see here, on the daily we got it already. But then if
It's
we
already
can,
there. Yeah.
yeah, if we can get this one here again, this area, here, if we can break another high, that's another
Mm.
strong confirmation that the market it already has enough fuel to just go and
Go out.
buy. Yeah. So hey, with these daily trades, bro, like it's a bit tricky, but it's the same thing. You're using the same strategy to catch the entry. Just make sure
Yeah, I
you
can
use
see.
an inverted fair value gap because
Yeah,
usually
okay, I can.
it gives you the most accurate entry.
Okay, okay.
Because
So
and you
now,
can see it's an immediate entrance. Like
mm,
let's say others are waiting for this trade right now.
mm,
Us we could have been in on this right now. We could have been in from here, holding this, and then we can hold from here. You see, while now you're
mm.
waiting for a retest here,
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
others are already inside, you see.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I think it's good to use this thing, man. The inverted fair
This
value
is
gap.
this is the thing.
Or
This is the thing, man.
you see how I caught it from here.
Mm-hmm.
The reason I caught it from here was because I was late. Let me go on the lower time frame. Let me go on a lower time frame. So we're using the same thing here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's the same thing. It's from the 4 hour, no? I think
Yeah,
it's
and
the
no,
four
no, no.
hour.
This is the 50. You mean the inverted?
Yeah, this
That's
one.
from the 4 hour. It's
Yeah, it's
from the
from the
4 hour.
hour. Yeah, this one is from
Oh,
the hour. Yeah, it's
okay.
on the hour and also the 4 hour. You can use
The
it
four
on
hours.
both.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it matches. So this thing is from the hour. Mara, you see the problem with this, ne? Is
Mm.
that sometimes can you see how long it takes for it to close outside? Like you
Yeah, yeah.
wait a long move. Like let's say on the H4. H4, you would have waited for it to close up there, then
Up there.
ends.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Mara, if you on the hourly, you could have waited for it to close, and then after it closes, you enter on this one. 1 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas
Mm-hmm.
Mina entered from here because when I came to the market was gone already. So I just bought.
Okay.
Mara, I could
Mm-hmm.
have entered from here. I could have entered from this point here and got a
Mm-hmm.
sniper in. But if you wanna take it even further, you hop on the 30 minute or no, let's go for another one. 5 minute. Yeah. Lower time frame. So it's just that you just need to look for the closest close of candlestick. The closest one that has closed.
I'd prefer the 15 minutes for real.
Yeah, yeah, you can get the 15 minute any, yeah. And also with this thing, yeah, Vela, like the higher time frame, it when it closes on the higher time frame, you more like confirmed it's going to
Yeah,
it's
so
going to
easy.
buy, you see. Yeah, so after this close here, you can
And
just buy from there. And then
damn,
stop loss is right below this. And let's see
fair value
how,
gap.
yeah, right below the fair value gap.
Damn, this is
Right below.
crazy.
It's crazy, no?
That's insane.
Can you
Uh,
imagine getting an entry from here, dog, and holding until
this is
today?
cheating. This is just pure cheating the market. Now you're cheating the market now.
You are cheating here, ne?
You're actually cheating the market. This is cheating. Pela, if you look at this, in most cases it's zero drawdown. Like there's no drawdown there. Like just
Yeah,
immediately you just press buy, it's gone.
yeah. And you know what I like about this, dog?
Mm,
When I'm wrong, ne?
mm,
When I'm wrong now. I know it now.
mm,
You see, if whenever I'm wrong, it means like
mm,
the trade is not going there. It spikes me
mm.
out and I'm out. Mara, when it's right, chief, this thing it just leaves. It
It
doesn't
just
wait for
goes and I
anyone.
can see no drawdown. I can see that there's no drawdown there.
There's no throwdown, bro.
Eh,
And it's
That's
crazy.
insane.
Yeah, it's
It's very
rare.
easy.
Like
Yeah, it's very easy.
some days you can get like especially like you see Newsweek,
Mm.
like when there's news, the first 2 weeks of the month where there's NFP and the next week is CPI. Usually, sometimes you have to be more careful. Sometimes the market it creates a lot of manipulation
As
with
that,
the
that those are the bad weeks to trade, man.
yeah, like today. You see today was a manipulation with the buys and the sells on Nasdaq.
Yeah,
So on
yeah.
here. Yeah, with this trade chief, people were holding, yeah, chief. People were holding buys, yeah. And then stop losses, they maybe right below here or below this low. Same thing.
Oh wait, yes, yes. I was one of the people. I was one of the guys. I was one of the guys.
Wait, so you are in here, nah?
Yeah, because as you can see there, you see the market structure shift over there.
Yeah, from here,
Yeah. No, 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 no. The top there.
the top,
Yeah,
like right
that
there.
guy over there. Yeah, you see that
Yeah,
guy over there.
yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what I use because you see there it swept over there below there, and then after that
It's
it came back and then
yeah.
it broke. No, no, no. The first sweep. If you can go
Oh,
to the
the
15
first
minute,
two.
because
Oh, you're saying this one, bro?
yeah, yeah, you see that one. It swept there,
Yeah.
and then I had to look for it, and then no, 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 no. Wait,
Is it
is
this
this
one, bro?
is this
This
yeah,
is
yeah.
still
I mean, what?
this is this is H. This is 30-minute time frame.
Oh yeah, yeah, I'm a bit confused because yeah, I